gave them a little hint about things you might like.
Oh, I think I know what that is. Yep,
Shopkins?
I thought that's what it was. It's a pack. It's like a pack of
It's a
12.
season 2 one. A season 2 one.
Hold up.
I don't have these ones.
What?
Oh, season
So what are those? Those are
And
Shopkins?
Toasty Pop.
Toasty Pop. Nice.
Those are season 2 Shopkins.
Awesome! If it has poppy corn, can I have it? No.
Oh, come on. I want popcorn.
I don't have it.
You don't have any
It's a
season
Shopkins
twos.
birthday. I was about to say Shopkins Christmas, but
Why don't you take off the ribbon and then it will.
Hit him first.
You don't have any season 2 ones.
No?
There you go.
Well, only that vacuum.
Only Vicky Vacuum.
Vicky Vacuum.
Ooh, what's in there?
Such ironic names.
Enough. Wait, this is season 1.
Oh, that's
Season 1. Season 1. Season 1. Get out of me. No, not at all. This has a rainbow light. Drink. Oh my gosh.
Sweetie peas.
This is awesome.
What do you
Just
say?
so you know
What do you
that-
say to?
What do you say to Emily and Uncle Bob?
Oh, this is the most awesome
Here,
this
let me see.
time in the life. Because I have no season 1 Shopkins.
Well,
Thank you. And I love you.
Don't be that cheesy.
I think that's a good place to end. All right.